Here's a Filipino situation that you get sometimes.
The journey continues across the Makati-Mandaluyong Bridge and going into Chillhop Barangay. Here I'm walking along the Pasig River, which is the most important waterway going through Metro Manila. It cuts through the city from Manila Bay all the way to the Laguna Lake. Instead of going to the wide San Francisco Street, as my map suggested, I decided to go through the heart of the local community.
Here's a Filipino situation that you get sometimes. The roads are too damn narrow. Anyway, I'm gonna go on ahead. Good luck getting through this, buddy.
I'm certainly glad that I decided to go this way, as I got to see the heart of the local inner city living that I would never have gotten to experience otherwise. Being back on the main road again, I was very thankful that I had covered my skin with sunblock. Otherwise, I would have been burned like a crispy lechon baboy. Here I'm passing by the Mandalyuong City Hall inside the Maysila Circle. And as usual, I decided to pick out the more adventurous route for your viewing pleasure. The Bantayog ang Kabataan statue, built to honor the youth of the city, was really eye-catching, and I have been looking forward to a chance to spend more time by it to admire its beauty. Now entering the marketplace leading up to the inner city of Mandaluyong, but this is something you can see in my next video.